Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Press Ctrl plus Shift plus K to open a new task window quickly and start typing a clear subject. Add a start date and a due date to set expectations and deadlines for completion. Choose a reminder time so Outlook alerts you by a specific date and hour. Select priority as low, normal, or high to signal urgency to yourself. Apply categories and colors to group related tasks visually across Outlook views. Click Save and Close to store the task in your tasks list immediately. Drag an email directly to the Tasks pane to create a task from that message and preserve the email content. Alternatively, right-click an email and choose Follow Up to flag it and set a reminder with a specific date. Use quick steps to automate turning emails into tasks with one-click and predefined fields. If you need to delegate, use Assign Task and enter a recipient when connected to Exchange or Microsoft 365. Attach the original email to the task for context and traceability. Apply categories and colors to tasks so you can filter and focus by project or context. Use the My Day feature in Microsoft to prioritize daily tasks synced from Outlook tasks across devices. View tasks on the calendar by turning on the Tasks or To-Do bar to check availability and deadlines visually. Set recurring schedules when tasks repeat, choosing daily, weekly, monthly, or custom intervals for automation. Mark tasks complete when finished, or update status to in progress, waiting on someone or.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.